This is another problem related to height of instrument. First of all, the question, we will read the question, we will try to understand the question, and then we are going to move on. The following observations were taken with dumpy level, 4-meter leveling staff. Wait, one more person is admitted. Okay. Now we are going to understand the question first. The following observations were taken with dumpy level and 4-meter leveling staff. The leveling staff was 4 meter long. The instrument was shifted after the fourth and seventh reading. So the instrument was shifted after fourth and seventh reading. It means the fourth reading will be foreside and the fifth reading will be backside. And similarly, the seventh reading will be foreside and the eighth reading, consecutive reading, will be the backside. The first reading was taken on a benchmark whose reduced level was 15.575 meters. Prepare a level book and calculate the reduced level. Wait one. I have to admit one person. Okay. Then what we have to do, level book and calculate the reduced level of all the points. The observations were taken at every 30-meter interval. Also find the gradient between first and last point. Also draw the profile of ground. Use height of instrument method. And observations were 0.567. These were the readings which were taken at different intervals. So they have said that fourth and seventh reading will be, the instrument will be shifted. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the fourth reading. So this will be taken as the foreside, and the next reading will be taken as the backside. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then seventh reading, 5, 6, and 7. Then 0.50 is the foresight reading, and 1.785 will be the backside reading. And as I have told you, the last reading will always be foresight reading. Now we are going to make a table related to the readings which we have. So the first reading is 0.565. The from here you can see the fourth reading is this one, so this will be the change point and will be considered as the foresight reading, and the reading between these two will be taken as the intersight readings, 1.25, 1.67. So this is the intersight reading, and the reading after the foresight reading will be considered as backside, so it will be written here as 0.125, and then seventh reading is taken as the change point, so it will be written as in foresight reading, and the value between these two is taken as the intersight, so 2.345 is taken as the intersight reading, and after the change point the reading will be considered as the backside reading, so it will be written here as 1.785. And I have told you in the previous lecture that the last reading will always be taken as the foresight reading, so it will be written as in the column of foresight 2.535. So the reduced level is given to you, that is 15.575, that is written here, and we are going to find the height of instrument, which will be calculated as by adding the backside reading. So in 15.575, you are going to add 0.565. It will give you the height of the instrument, which is 16.145. So we got the height of instrument for first station. So from this, we are going to calculate the reduced levels of different points. And this can be calculated by subtracting the intersight reading from this height of instrument. So for next reduced level, you are going to subtract 1.250 from height of instrument, which is 16.14. So you will get 14.89. Then you are going to subtract for the third point, C point, you are going to subtract again from height of instrument the value of the intersight, which is 1.675, and you will get 14.46. And then from, wait a second, about okay, and then from this height of instrument, the fourth reading is 3.695. So again, the instrument will be shifted after this foresight reading. So you are going to subtract from height of instrument 3.695. So you will get the reduced level of 12.44. After this instrument is shifted to the next station, and after shifting you are going to take the backside reading, and with backside reading you are going to calculate a new height of instrument. So the new height of instrument will be calculated by adding 12.44 in the reduced level. You are going to add the backside reading, which is 0.125, and you will get a new height of instrument which is 12.565. So before shifting, you're going to use this new height of instrument and to calculate the reduced level of different points. So 12.565 for point E reduced level can be calculated from by subtracting 2.35345 from 12.56. So this will give you the new reduced level, which is 10.22. And the seventh reading, which is 0.50, again this is foresight reading, and after this the instrument will be shifted. So 12.565, you are going to subtract 0.50. So this is the reduced level of 12.065. And after that, the instrument is shifted. So for shifting, you have to calculate the new height of instrument. So the new height of instrument will be by adding 12.065, you are going to add the backside reading 1.785, and this will give you a new height of instrument, which is 13.85. And after this, the only reading left is the foresight reading, which is the last reading. So you are going to subtract 2.535 from 13.85, and you will get the reduced level of the last reading, which is the 11.315. So this is how you have to calculate, and then you have to write the benchmark readings. That is, first one is the benchmark, and you are going to write the change point, which is the fourth point. And then the F point is also the change point. So this will, you will write here the change point. And then you have to calculate the corrections, if there is any error or not. So you can easily calculate, as I have told you in the previous lecture, that summation of backside minus summation of foresight. So you are going to add this column, and you are going to add the readings of this column, and you are going to do the difference. You have to find the difference, so it will come minus 4.26, and then the last reading minus the foresight reading, you have to subtract this reading. Last reading is 11.35, subtracting 15.575, so you will get 4.25. These two values should be equal, so it means the values you have corrected, you have done the calculation right. Okay, I hope you understood. I've just revised another problem, so if there is any problem, you can easily understand it. Now there is another method, which is rise and fall method. We are going to do that. This is another method to solve the same problem, or to find the reduced levels of different points. This is rather simpler than that of the previous method. So kindly give me feedback if you are getting my points. Are you listening? Type yes or no. Achha, the next point is the next method is the rise and fall method. This is, the column is mostly similar to that of the previous method, height of instrument method. So here you are the same problem. We are solving the same problem with another method, that is rise and fall method. Okay. First column will be the station A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, how many you have. Then the backside reading, then the interside reading, and again the foresight reading. As I have told you, this column will always be plus. Interside reading, foresight reading will always be negative. And if there is a rise, then this column, in this column we will add rise, and in this column we are going to add the fall. rise means the reading next to it is higher than the previous one, so that is why it's written rise. And the fall, it means that the coming value is lower than the previous value, so it will be written in negative. And then we have to write the reduce levels, and then finally the remarks. First of all, you are going to make a table exactly the same as before. Wait, I have to add someone in the group. So this is the same problem as the previous one. So the values are written accordingly. The fourth reading is the change point, so it is written here in the four side. The seventh reading is the change point, so it is written in the four side reading, and the rest is the same. This is rather simpler method. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to subtract, you have to move from in the direction of the survey. So 1 point, first reading will be 1.250 minus 0.565. If you subtract both of them, you will get 0.685. So you have to subtract 0.565 minus 1.250. So if you subtract both of them, you will get a negative value, that is 0.685. So it will be written in fall. Right. So you have got minus 0.685, which will give you a negative value, and you have to write in fall. And this is the reduced level. So what you have to do, first of all, we'll do the rise and fall, then I'll explain what we have to do. Then you have to do 1.25 for the next point. You have to subtract from 1.250 1.675. Again, if you subtract from this value is higher, this is lower, and if you subtract from lower to high, you will get a negative value of minus 0.425, and you have to write it in fall. If you get a negative value, write it in fall, and if you get a positive value, you just write it in rise. And then you have to subtract from 1.65 minus 3.695, so you will get minus 2.02, and you have to write it in fall. So this will give you a complete set. So it ends here, and from the next station, after there's the foresight reading of 3.695, the instrument is shifted, so you have to again start from back side to calculate the rise and fall. So you have to subtract from 0.125 minus 2.345, you will get minus 2.22. Automatically you will get a negative value, and you will get a positive value regarding the subtraction. And then you will get again a negative value of 2.22, so you will write it in fall. Now you have to subtract from 2.345 minus 0.5, so you will get a positive value of 1.845, so you will write it in fall, in rise. So again, you have to start from this backside reading 1.785 minus 2.53. 535, so you will get a negative value, and you have to write it in fall, minus 0.75. So you don't have to write negative sign if you are writing in fall, just write it in fall column. Okay. So if it is clear till here, kindly respond. Then we have to calculate the reduced level. So 15.575 is the hello जी
मैम ये राइज और फॉल से क्या मतलब है?
राइज का मतलब ये है, देखिए अब अगर ये जो है ना आपके पास 1.250 है, ठीक है, पहली रीडिंग आपके पास क्या है 0.565, ये बैक साइड रीडिंग है, ठीक है, हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट, और वो आपसे जो है नेक्स्ट वैल्यू जो है वो क्या है ज्यादा है, तो प्रीवियस वाली क्या हुई, फॉल हुई ना, तो इसलिए इट इज रिटन इन फॉल, ठीक है।
नहीं तो अब ये देखिए सर्वे करेंगे तो सर्वे में हमें किस तरह पता चलेगा कि वो अगर नीचे जा रही है तो फिर फॉल होगा और ऊपर
नहीं आपने यू हैव टू मूव इट along, you have to do this calculation at home, ठीक है, आप फील्ड में सिर्फ क्या करते हैं, फील्ड में आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ वहां पर जो लेवलिंग स्टाफ और डंपी लेवल की मदद से लेवल्स लेते हैं, ठीक है, और आप क्या करते हैं कि उसको अपनी नोटबुक में राइट करते हैं। जो आपके पास सर्वेइंग की खास किस्म की नोटबुक होती है उसमें आप नोट डाउन करते हैं। व्हेन यू गो होम and then you do this calculation and then you calculate the rise and the fall and then you calculate the reduced level from these values, ठीक है।
अच्छा,
so accordingly हम क्या करते हैं, station wise move करते हैं, ठीक है। if you note this that we are moving from station A, B, C, D and then D, E, F, G, H like this. So you have to do it from backside to interside in the direction of survey line, ठीक है। तो अगर आपके पास ड्यूरिंग कैलकुलेशन एक नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ रही है, इफ यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम बैक साइड टू इंटरसाइड देन इंटरसाइड टू फोर साइड, तो आपके पास अगर नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ रही है तो इट मींस ये आपके पास फॉल में आएगा। अगर ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आ रही है तो इट मींस ये राइज में जाएगा, ठीक है। तो अकॉर्डिंगली अगर आप देखो तो राइज और फॉल का मकसद क्या है, ये रिड्यूस लेवल के कॉलम में देखें, आपका जो रिड्यूस लेवल है वो कम होता जा रहा है। सो फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 15.575, the next reduced level is 14.89. so it means कि जो आपका पहला पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पे कहीं था, दूसरा पॉइंट आपका यहाँ पे, ये मैं जो ड्रॉ करी आपको नजर आ रहा है,
यस मैम,
ये यहाँ पर है। पहला रिड्यूस लेवल ये है आपके पास, ये आपके पास डेटम लाइन है। दूसरा रिड्यूस लेवल आपके पास क्या है, 14.89। अगर आप देखें तो रिड्यूस लेवल आपका कम होता चला जा रहा है फ्रॉम द डेटम। सो नेक्स्ट वन इज 14.46, so it's getting down like this. The next one is 12.44. so if you see it's going down. और अगर आप इन सबको ज्वाइन करें तो आपके पास टेरेन किस किस्म का बन रहा है,
नीचे जा रहा है,
नीचे जा रहा है। so this is 10.22 and if you see here again it's rising at point F, so it's 12.06, so it will rise like this. so it's just like a valley. Can you understand this now? And it's 11, the last reading is 11.315, so it's somewhere here. so इस किस्म का आपके पास ये टेरेन आ रहा है। ये सारे का सारा जो है आपका रिड्यूस लेवल से आपके पास ये इसका जो है ना अंडुलेशंस इस किस्म की आ रही है ग्राउंड की। दिस शोज द एक्चुअल रिड्यूस लेवल्स ऑफ द ग्राउंड। जी,
तो मैम अगर ये रिड्यूस लेवल हम ये सारे कैलकुलेशंस कर ले तो उसके बाद हमें फिर ये इस तरह डायग्राम बनाना होगा।
you have to show the profile. If they are asking that you have to draw a profile, you have to draw a profile.
अच्छा,
ठीक है ना। If they say draw a profile, so it's better to show it in the form of a profile. This is profile. Okay.
ठीक है,
Understood?
यस मैम,
Any problem?
नो,
No. Okay. Wait a second. I have to add one more person. So rise and fall method is simpler method as compared to height of instrument. The rest is the same. Then what we have to do, the first reduced level is 15.575. And if it is a fall, then you have to subtract. If it is a rise, you have to add. So first of all, it's 15.575. So you have added 0.68, sorry, subtracted. So you got 14.89 here. Okay, it's 14.89 minus 1.425. Okay, and then what you have to do now, this is the near reduced level. You have to subtract from 14.89 0.425. Okay, and from 14.46 you have to subtract 2.02, so you will get 12.44, the new reduced level. So from 12.44 you are going to subtract this 2.22 and you will get 10.22. so you have to subtract the consecutive numbers from the consecutive numbers. Okay, from 10.22 you are going to add this 1.845 because this is a rise, so you have to add it. So you will get 12.065, this one. And in 12.065 you have to subtract 0.75, this is fall, so you will get 11.315. Again the method is the previous calculation we have to do, we have to check it whether it's right or wrong. You have to add this column, backside column, then you have to add the foreside column, and you have to do the subtraction, backside minus foreside, you will get minus 4.26, and then last reading minus first reading, so you will again get minus 4.26. So this should be equal to each other. If it is not equal, then you have to check your calculation that there might be some problem. So this is the method of rise and fall method and height of instrument method to calculate the reduce level at different points. Okay, clear? This is another problem. No, this is the same one. This is another problem and you have to do it as an assignment.